very old building which was constructed before the independence of Pakistan, and it is a building of railway station Chakwal. The structure is still very solid, although the engineering was not so developed at that time, approximately 100 years ago. And not only that engineering was not so developed, this area was not their own original country as well. Despite all that, they brought very good projects in the area, in the United India, including Pakistan. But unfortunately, we could not sustain or develop it further. All that area was the what you are seeing is there used to be a railway track which does not exist anymore at all.